Hey, what's up, y'all? We got a 2004 Porsche Cayenne. I'm just gonna show y'all how to do the side mirror. So yeah, busted. So I ain't seen no videos on YouTube how to do this, but basically, first thing you want to do, pop that trim panel off. You got trim panels right here. Different trim tool right here. Just come right here. Take that out. Now inside here you got some T27 Torx bits. Let's see. Yes, T27. It's a T27 and T30. Pop those out. Get your trim tool. Pop this out right here. Okay. So like one piece, you got T30s in there. Got one right there. 1, 2, 3. 3 of them right there. Take out them T30s. Okay. Should have 2 on the bottom. Yeah. Those are like T15s. Got 2 of them right there. Right there. Right there. Take those out. Then we should be able to pull this panel off. Get to that mirror. Okay, so basically, you know what I'm saying, I pull right here. Get that corner, pull right here, pull that back, grab it from the bottom, lift up, it'll come off. Now, you could probably do this without taking off the panel if you just want to do, you know what I'm saying, just the window, because there go the 3 bolts, but the bottom 2 are covered by the panel. Well, at least this one is right here. That one's gonna be covered, so you got at least, like, your tool probably can't get in there. But really the main reason you got to do this, take the panel off, because here's your wire, your connector right here. Just wanna, I mean, I could have, in this situation, if I wanted to just be kind of lazy, I could have just cut the wire, because this replacement part that they got from eBay, see the person cut the wire right there. So I could have just cut the wire and left these wires in there. You know what I'm saying, if I want to be quick about this. Because I could have left these wires in there, it wouldn't have hurt nothing. You know what I'm saying, they would have never known. But then you got this one right here. You just press down on this tab. Pull that off. I'm gonna need 2 hands for that one. Okay, then you got your T27, T30s or whatever. You got 3 of them right there. So all you do, pop these out right here. Then you put your new mirror up there. You know what I'm saying? Just hold your mirror with one hand, screw these in, and then run your wire if you got a wire. But this one ain't got no wire though. Okay, so I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. I'm gonna take out that wire, pop them out right there. Okay, so for this connector right here, see it going in like this, right? And what you got to do is stick a flat blade right here in between the 2 parts, and this will lift up. And you lift that up and separate them, and then you can pull that out, because this tab right here is going to go underneath that right there. So you got to stick a flat blade between the 2 parts and lift that one up. Take out your T30s. Boom, pull that off. Pull your wire through. Okay. So you're just gonna line that up, and you'll have, there you go. Just line up your 3 holes like that. Feed your electrical connector through this hole if you got one in this situation. You know what I'm saying? They got one from the junkyard. It ain't got no electrical connector, but look like they hit something though. And the front got knocked off and the mirror got busted. So anyway, you done. Just put your Torx bits back in, plug your plugs in, then you know put your trim piece back on, put them little T30s, T27s in there, and then put your panel on. That's how you do it. It's a 2004 Porsche Cayenne S. That's how you do the side mirrors. Okay, just put the bolt. So you know, if you can't get these T30s, it's kind of like recessed. It's like a recessed hole. So what I did is I took a magnet and put on the bolt and push it down in there, and then I put a flathead blade on the bolt to keep it in the hole and remove the magnet, because it's kind of a recessed hole in it. You know, the bolt kind of falls off the tool, tends to. Now see, this is just looking at the panel, right? So you can't see, you know what I'm saying, them 2 bottom bolts. That's why you got to remove. I mean, you could get a short, they got like stubby tools, you know what I'm saying, if you want to try to do a shortcut, but you know, it's not that hard to remove the panel on this vehicle. You just line up. That right there. And that's it. So you put on the exterior mirror, and you know, customer said they was gonna paint it or whatever. Probably, to be honestly, probably better to paint it when it's off the vehicle, but just tape it up or whatever. Okay. I ain't seen all the videos, you know what I'm saying, nobody else showing anyone how to do this, so I make a lot of videos, the only cat doing certain jobs. I work on everything, so I probably got a video on just about every car, just about how to fix everything. So, you know what I'm saying, if you need information how to fix cars, you know, subscribe to the channel, like the videos. I'm gonna keep them coming.